This is Juan. Today, getting around to doing a video on the first aid bag that people ask about sometimes. Mainly today, answering the question you got all these pouches on the side. Why don't you get a bigger bag? Well, size and space is not the reason I have outside pouches. There's two kinds of things that are in an outside pouch on my first aid bag: things I use frequently or things I need to get my hands on quickly. And we'll look at a few of those. Starting on this side, got trauma dressing for traumatic injuries, and a pair of gloves are in there. Get a second pair of gloves on the front. Flashlight down on the side. This side, scissors, tourniquet, on the front again. This is a pouch full of little band-aids and things that people ask me for frequently. So that's right there too. And then the one pack pouch here is more gloves, second trauma dressing, and my CPR mask. So yeah, that's why I have extra pouches on my first aid bag.